Alright guys, so today we're fixing the damage from the last event. My dad's already gone to work on the body filler and the fiberglass, so we just got to paint that up. But we got new headlights to put on. So we got some halos for the AU, so they should look pretty sick. We'll take off the bumper and see how we can mount those headlights, because they're not going to just bolt straight on. We might have to make a bracket or something, but we'll figure it out. Got our brand new fender here, all nicely painted in primer, ready to get some black on it. Here's what this one looks like, our old one. I mean, from what it was, pretty damn good, to be honest.
Oh no, oh no.
Let's get started then. So that's what we're dealing with. God, they're pretty bright. Yep. Yep.
Gosh, this is incredible.
Yep.
Cat's eye dash is
Yep.
so perfect. What we do for
Yep.
There actually is a catch with it, man. It's not for sale. I told him about it. So thanks for the we had said we were gonna.
Well, we got the lights all mounted. Just used some screws. So now it's time to get the front bar. All painted up. Get it on there. Get this thing painted up. And see how they look. Alright guys, so there's the final look. Looks very good, I reckon. Got this one all painted up. I'll turn on the lights and show you this. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but yeah, there should be a video out next week because we're going back to the track. So that'll be out in about a week. I'll be getting my drift license. Also, ended up getting a cage. We brought it to a roll cage place. And yeah, got a half cage in. The reason we couldn't do it ourselves is because then it can't be certified. So if there's any certain events that you need to go to where they need like an authenticated roll cage, then well, now we can go because we got one. So yeah, I adjusted the video settings and you can see it a bit better now. Actually, all I did was just open the garage door. But yeah, they look so good.